What if I tell you that you can apply conditional formatting in Excel with the help of formulas? So you will ask as to where are these formulas applied in Excel. So if you want to know, watch this video till the end because this is going to unveil a totally new world for you guys in Excel. But first, don't forget to subscribe to SHK Excel World and also click the bell icon and continue along with me in this conditional formatting journey. So guys, this is the file we are using today. You can download this file from the link given below in the description, and you must have learned many things in the first part of this video. So in the second part, we are focusing on formula-based conditional formatting. So in this video, I am going to teach you the trick so that your formula-based conditional formatting is never wrong. So here we have the list of customers and the products and the amounts due from them and the due date. And the day we have to follow up from all of these customers so that they pay their invoices. So we want, just like we did in our previous exercise in the previous video, that we want to have those dates or invoices highlighted so that we do not have to see the date and see whether it is due or not. So this is the due date, and we are going to select all of the date list and then go to the home ribbon, the conditional formatting, and here we are going to apply a new rule instead of going into the highlighting rule. Click on the use formula, and in the formula we have to say that this date is equal to the first date of this table. So you can see that the dollar sign has been applied automatically by Excel. And we just go to format and fill any of the color of liking and press OK. So although we can see that there is one date which is 20th of August and our follow-up date is the same, but it's not highlighted. So there is something wrong with the dollar sign applied by Excel itself. So the trick here is that you first apply the formula in your Excel sheet, and if you see that it's okay, then you can just copy it and paste it into the area of formula in the conditional formatting tool. So we are going to say that equal to this date is equal to this date, and as we know that the follow-up date is in one cell and will be the same for all of these invoices, we'll have to fully freeze it. And we can see that the F4 is going to change as we copy it to the rest of the cells. So it will be F5, F6. So we'll leave it like this and copy it to the rest of the cells. And we can see that the 20th August line is returning true. So formula is correct. We can just copy it and again select the complete list. Go to conditional formatting, manage rule, click edit, and we are going to paste this formula in place of the previous one and press OK. So we have the 20th August highlighted. If we change it to any other date like 15th of September, so the 15th September is highlighted and here we can see the true. So here it is going to be very interesting. We want to highlight the complete row in case where your due date is equal to the follow-up date. So in this case, it should have highlighted the complete row. So how we are going to apply this and test this first before applying into the conditional formatting area. So for that, I'm going to copy all of the headings of the table onto another location, just adjacent to it. So let us go to the due date column. So we are going to write here the formula equal to the follow-up date. It is going to be the same for all of the cells. So press F4 equal to this date. So if we copy this formula to different cells within this table, here it will become F4. We do not want it to be F4 because the only criteria we are going to ensure is this due date column. So it is in the E column. So E column should be frozen. So here the E column has the dollar sign. The row number 4, if we copy it to the cells below, it will be E5, E6, That's fine. So if we copy to the cells on the left, it will be D4, C4, B4. So this is also fine. So the complete line will be highlighted based on whether the criteria has been met in column E or not. So this is our formula. We can just copy it. So here you can see that the complete row for 21st August returns a true result. So here our formula is accurate. We can just copy it, copy the first one under the serial number, and then we can just select the complete table, go to conditional formatting, new rule, click on the formula and then paste this formula and just give a color to it. Let's try this one. So here we have the complete line highlighted. If I change this to some other date, it's 5th of September here. So the 5th of September line has been highlighted because we have the complete results of the formula as true. So now move on to the next exercise. The only difference between this exercise and this one is that the data in this case was in rows. However, in this case, the heading is in the first column and all of the rest of the data is in the next columns. So the orientation is only different. So we are directly going to apply the formula into the conditional formatting tool because we have learned the trick. Just select all of this data, go to conditional formatting, new rule, and click on the formula. And here we can see that we have to tell whether this percentage, the calculated percentage, is less than or equal to your threshold. So the dollar signs have been applied automatically, but we want to see that once we copy this formula to the right, so B9 should be C9 and D9. So 9th row should be frozen, should have the dollar sign, but the column should be open. So we will delete the dollar sign before B and apply some conditional formatting. So here we have both of these items, stock is less than the threshold. So let us change the threshold to, let's say, 25%. So we have another item which is less than the threshold. We should order quantity for these items. So this is how you can use formula-based conditional formatting correctly and use it to your advantage for automating your stock, sales, and any other type of analysis. I hope these concepts are clear in your mind now, and if still you have any questions, please do write to me in comments below and we will come up with another video answering all of those questions. So see you in the next video of conditional formatting. Till then, bye bye.